Don't go to river by yourself. A young man used to go to dead yard. One night, there was a dead yard in the next community. So him and his friends decided to go. One of his friends that went was a spiritual lady. The young man went there with she and her husband to reach in the other community. There was a dirt road beside a spring. No light or house was on that road, just trees. People who have the gift of sight would normally see falling angels flying that way at midnight. While the three friends were on their way to the dead yard, they were walking beside the spring. That's when the young man heard his friend laugh, then nothing else from her.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
Her husband heard her too and realized that she was in a trance, going towards the water. He stopped her and they decided that they had to head back home. In the morning, the friend was back to normal. She told the young man and her husband that she saw a beautiful lady in the water, a mermaid. The lady was calling her, and no matter what she did, she could not resist the mermaid's call. She told them that people should not go to spring or river by themselves. A lot of people, both young and old, whether they can swim or not, drown or go missing because of mermaids calling them to their deaths or kidnapping them.
Check out the playlist below for more.